Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show a simple way how you can easily blur a video in CapCut. So what you want to do is when you're going to be in CapCut, you want to split the video if you want to, but what you can do is to simply click on effects and then go on like the basic effects, and you're going to have plenty of effects here. And one of them is blur curls, or like just blur. Click on a blur. And as you can see, it's blurred, but what you can do is just make it for the whole video. And you can simply click on it and you can change the effect, or you can have the object here of the main video. Or if you're gonna have like overlaid video, you can just edit for overlaid part of the video. It's completely up to you. But this is pretty much it how you can do it. My recommendation is just like easily split it and you'll be good to go. But this is pretty much it how you can add blur in your video in CapCut. If you're gonna have any questions guys, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. You know how it goes, you know how it is. And yeah. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.